Hey everybody. So for this section, we're talking about classifications of epithelia. Um, it'll make way more sense when we start to look at specific examples, but I figured we'll just give it a real quick overview. There are two ways that we name our epithelial tissues. Way number one, how many layers are there to the tissue? And then way number two is the shape of those cells. Okay, so when we're looking at layers, we can either have a single layer, as you can see with this incredible illustration. Um, if it's just one layer, we call that simple. So this is simple epithelium. So it's just one layer of a tissue. If there are multiple layers, we call it stratified. All right, think of it like strata of the earth, right? Different layers of the earth, right? Same thing here. So we have different stratified layers of cells. Not only that, but we can look at what is the shape of those cells. All right, so the first one is the weird one. It is called squamous. Squamous epithelia means that they are flat. All right, this is not the best picture, but they are flat. So if I have simple squamous epithelial tissue, that means they are one layer of flat cells. The next one is cuboidal. So this means that they look like cubes. So their height and width are basically the same. All right. If we have stratified cuboidal epithelium, that means we have layers of cube-shaped epithelium. The last one is called columnar, and that's because they look like columns. So that means they're taller than they are wide. And again, if we have simple columnar epithelium, one layer of columns. Again, you can mix and match. It could be simple squamous, stratified squamous, simple cuboidal, stratified, so on and so forth. And there's also a couple other ones out there. But keep in mind, this is how we name these so that you're not confused listening to the different types of epithelium later. But once again, keep in mind, think of the structure here and how it might relate to their function.